We are in Colombia, the second most biodiverse country in the world. Famous for its snow-capped mountains, its mountain ranges, the Andes, and the Pacific, an excellent destination for nature tourism. My name is Jose Manuel Gonzalez, and you will be with us on a route through a magical and biodiverse Colombia. CaminanTr3s was born in 2016, and as journalists we have traveled the largest corners of our nation, visiting unimaginable people, with stories that have made us create a channel in which we upload content for all of you. We do community journalism, close to nature, close to the environment and its inhabitants. We have been walking this country for more than 7 years, and we have not tired of discovering its immense wealth.
Llevamos caminando este país por más de 7 años y no nos hemos cansado de descubrir su inmensa riqueza.
My name is Gustavo Hicherick. I am a journalist and adventurer. 7 years ago I decided, together with Jose Manuel, to visit the most remote places that Colombia has. Those places that we see in Hollywood movies, today you will be able to see them through this channel. Community tourism in Colombia is an activity that generates economic dynamism in places where few people have managed to reach, due to their difficult access. Indigenous, peasant and Afro communities have benefited from the arrival of visitors thanks to community tourism, that is, unconventional tourism. In Colombia we have one of the most important biodiverse masses in the world, and this means that we have unparalleled landscapes. The ecosystems in Colombia range from the snow-capped mountains of El Cuy National Natural Park, to the thick jungles of Amacayacu National Park.
O por ejemplo las selvas espesas del Parque Nacional Amacayacu.
To all those places we are going to take you. You will be able to know how to survive in the jungle, how to get to places that no one had ever imagined reaching. We have met people who inhabit these jungles and who fill us with wisdom through this. Through these plants, this exuberant nature that Colombia has.
Strategically located country has all the natural regions a nation can have. From the snow-capped mountains to the jungles, it has the most important jungle in the world, the Amazon. It has deserts and 2 coasts, one in the Pacific Sea and the other in the Caribbean Sea. This country is inhabited by hundreds of indigenous and Afro communities that make this an unparalleled place to know it, to discover it, to get lost on trails and find yourself. To find the true meaning of the world's wealth, nature.
You cannot imagine the amount of things that have happened to us within the jungles of Colombia. We have been about to fall from ships, we have been sailing the Pacific Ocean at night, we have gone into the jungle to discover it, both day and night. Well, all those stories of how indescribable Colombia is, you will be able to see them through this channel.
Esa Colombia tan indescriptible las van a poder ver a través de este canal.
Welcome to the only and the first channel that has taken the cameras to the most inhospitable regions of Colombia. You will find out what has happened to us on the paths, the learnings, the smiles, but also the tears we have shed. Welcome to this adventure with the CaminanTr3s. Welcome to a new channel that tries to reach a much wider audience with only one common interest, nature.
La naturaleza. Welcome to CaminanTr3s Adventures.